spins because
Whichever one you like.
this is wow. This is the dynamite feature.
5 free spins. Eureka treasure trail. What's that? That's the whole spin? Got it.
All right, so
Start it up. The whole spin.
Come on.
Good.
I'm not doing a great job.
Don't worry about it. Keep going.
See, you should just do it.
All right.
Come on.
You got 2 more spins. It's not a hold and spin like that. You gotta try to fill it up. Good. Do the last one. You only get like 6 spins.
That's it.
You got the mini available. But I still think you got other spins.
No, it's it.
No.
I did my 5 spins.
Oh, that was the 5 free games? Touch the play. What's the mini? 100. Can we get it? Plus we got this.
That is like $3. That ain't much. That ain't much money.
40, 50, 50.
So wanna play or?
Yeah.